But look at the lens, not me.
Oh.
Hey! What's up, everybody? This is SkittLeZ, and welcome to a brand new segment I'd like to introduce to y'all called Reconstruction, where I take beautiful women and show you how to do an everyday look. Usually when we do these videos, sis is gonna be the person hosting, but today is a very special video because I have a very special guest who has never let me film her a day in her life, not even in my vlogs. Everybody welcome the queen of my life, Miss Mama SkittLeZ, aka Lily, for all of you guys. Now today, because my mom doesn't really like to wear makeup, we are gonna go for a super dramatic, smoky look as I ask her all the questions of the mom challenge. The name Reconstruction actually came from an art exhibit that my aunt Titi Wandi, or Wanda Raimundi Ortiz, did way back in the early 2000s, and I'm just taking that concept and bringing it to YouTube with her permission, of course. Now let's get it started! Brows! So we've already gone ahead and moisturized and finessed the brows on this face, and we're gonna go ahead in with our NARS 12 Hour Luminous and go ahead and finesse this foundation.
I was 23 years old when I had Jose.
Jose, and who's Jose?
He's my eldest son.
He's my older brother. A lot of people don't know that I have an older brother.
Eating. With Joey, I ate spaghetti and meatballs every day.
Yeah.
In the can. And with you, I ate chicken with broccoli all 9 months. Which now you both love.
Yes, I actually love chicken and broccoli. That is my go.
Joey can eat spaghetti and meatballs right out of the can without heating them up.
And what do you partner the spaghetti and meatballs with?
Chocolate milk and crackers.
Yeah. Alright, so now that we've done her foundation, I'm gonna go ahead in with my NARS Creamy Concealer and start the highlighting and concealing process. So now that my mother is all concealed and highlit, we're gonna go ahead in with this brown and start our contouring process.
Watching my two boys grow, they're so different, they're total opposites. They're 6 years apart. They love each other terribly. One is very loud, noisy, flamboyant, happy. The other one is like a quiet puppy, yet they are amazing to each other.
Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. stipple brush and my Anastasia contouring kit and go right over the contour that we just laid. Alright people, so to start off with the crease of our smoky eye, I'm going to go in with the contour kit and just start defining my mother's crease.
With you, my darling child, my best memory is when you had the courage to sing Britney Spears in the 4th grade talent show, and you outbeat everyone, and your trophy was as big as you. And just every time I watch you perform.
I'm gonna go ahead in with this super dark brown in the full exposure palette and just go right over that crease that we have already started to define. I'm gonna go ahead in with this black and we're gonna go right over the lids to set a base for our black eyed makeup.
So I think for you, my hope was that you would develop to be the person you are and not allow people to influence you. Even though I knew that you were different, your coming out and being steadfast about it, watching you bloom and continue full speed ahead, regardless of what anybody thinks, is one of the biggest milestones.
Now that we have the cream base set, I'm gonna go ahead with my full exposure palette again with this used up black, and we're gonna set the cream black so that it lasts all night.
The hardest part about being a mom is knowing when to let go, when to let your children fall down and figure things out on their own, and having to discipline them.
So So next up, I'm gonna go in with my Becca Duo, whatever the fuck you wanna call this. And we're gonna go ahead and give my mother the cheeks she deserves.
So Joey is quiet, sometimes moody, and a little bit mysterious. You can also be moody. You can be very quiet, but most of the time, you're just loud and a lot of fun.
Gonna go ahead and give you a nude lip with Urban Decay's Naked lipstick. And then I'm gonna go over that with a Buxom lip gloss. Because I feel like if you're doing an eye that's as this dramatic, you have to have like a nude lip. Alright everybody, well I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it with all your friends, and comment below on what you want to see next.